everyone, welcome to Fact Intra. So guys, now from this video we start blind SQL injection. So let's begin with that. Now, what is blind SQL injection? You don't immediately see the outcome of your attack in blind SQL injection. Means if you are injecting any input, or you can say the payload regarding blind SQL injection, then you will not directly get any outcome from the website, or you can say the immediate response you will not get. Okay, so instead you make educated guesses based on how the website respond. Now, if you are injecting something or injecting payload, but you are not getting direct response from the website, but you have to be carefully check the website, how the website respond with your injected payload. So it's like playing a guessing game with the website to figure out if your injected code is making an impact. So let's proceed for that. Now, exploiting blind SQL injection by triggering conditional responses. In this case, for exploiting blind SQL injection, we will use some conditions, or you can say we have to trigger some conditional responses. Let me give you one example. For that, on our lab scenario for blind SQL injection, first of all, I will tell you, I will use lab scenario on post figure labs. On those post figure lab scenario, the vulnerability lies inside cookie parameter into request. Let's suppose cookie and this tracking ID is equal to some value. So the vulnerability lies in this cookie parameter. Now here, when a request containing a tracking ID cookie is processed, means if the request containing what tracking ID, this tracking ID value cookie is processed, and the application uses SQL query to determine whether this is a known user. Means the application uses what SQL query, which is right in the right below, and why this SQL query uses this application, because to determine the whether this is a known user or legitimate user. You can see select tracking ID where tracked user select tracking ID from tracked user where tracking ID is equal to this value. Okay, so let's proceed how we can do this. If you submit a recognized tracking ID, the query returns data and you receive a welcome back message in the response. Means if you are injecting, or you can say your tracking ID value is legitimate or recognized by the database, or you can say the backend, you can say the server, then the query returns data, and you will receive welcome back message in the response on the website. Okay, so suppose that we will inject some condition with that cookie value, or you can say tracking ID value. We are injecting conditions. For example, the white text you can see on the screen, xyz single quote and 1 equal to 1, and there are some single quote as well. Now, what is this xyz? It's basically the tracking ID value which is ended up on xyz. Okay, it's an example, you can say. Now, after tracking ID, because we know very well this parameter is vulnerable in our lab scenario. So after this value xyz single quote and 1 equal to 1, I injected this single quote and 1 equal to 1, and the second condition is the xyz single quote and 1 equal to 2. Now we know very well 1 equal to 1 is true condition, 1 equal to 2 it's a false condition. Okay, now for these condition, how the website respond us. Okay, let me give you one scenario for that. So there are two cases, and these are you can say the website, and we will check for the different cases. Okay, the first case, I injected this tracking ID value up to xyz single quote and 1 equal to 1. Then for this true condition, website responding with the welcome back message. And now in the second case I injected this xyz single quote and 1 equal to 2. I know very well this is the false condition. In the first case, condition is true and returns welcome back message. In second case, condition is false and returns nothing. So that's a scenario for that. Let me give you some you can say example queries which we will use in our lab scenario. Okay, so first of all, see this query here. Okay, see this condition here first. Okay, xyz single quote and substring select password from users where username equal to administrator comma 1 comma 1, and this whole you can say the condition is greater than m. Now what does it mean by substring? First of all, I'm going to tell you what is substring here. You might have a column called full name that stores a person's full name. Means like for example, there is a column, and in the column there is a full name which is stores person's full name, the first name and the last name, but you only want to see the first name. In this case, we can use a substring. It helps you grab just the part of the text that you are interested in. Means let's suppose my name is Pooja Pawar and I'm storing this Pooja Pawar, my full name, into a full name parameter. Okay, now if I want to grab the only the first name, only the Pooja, then this text the particular text value I can fetch with the help of substring. So using substring, you can say, hey, from this column give me only the character starting from position x and continuing for y characters. Means I can mention here I can mention while fetching the substring from the full text the from where the substring start and where up to it ended. Okay, so now again go to our condition. Okay, so and substring select password from users where username equal to administrator. It's saying like select password, give password from users where username equal to administrator. Means we are fetching the password for administrator user. Okay, and not the complete password. Here after that, after this query, you can see the first position, like the single quote 1 and the comma 1 comma 1. Now this comma 1 comma 1, what does it mean by this 1 comma 1? First one saying the index of the you can say substring, like from where or you can say from which character you want to start fetching your substring. Okay, so the first one is saying the from index first, or you can say index number 1, I'm going to fetch the substring. And the again the next one saying the substring ended up on the first position. Okay, so 1 to 1. Now index number 1 up to the position 1, I'm going to fetch the string. Okay, one means in this case I'm just fetching only the first character of the password in this case, because it's starting from 1 and ended up also on 1. So like in this query, what I'm doing here, I'm fetching the first character of the password for username administrator, and I'm comparing this whole query, or you can say the whole condition, with greater than m. Means is this first character of the password for username equal to administrator greater than m or not? Okay, so this is a basically condition. And the if I'm talking about the second condition, we send the following input. You can see in the below query xyz single quote and some substring select password from users where username equal to administrator. The first you can see 1 comma 1, That means the first character of the password is equal to s. Now in this case, I'm comparing here the first character of the password for username equal to administrator is equal to s or not. If this condition is true, means if the first character of the password for username equal to administrator is equal to s, then this will return, or you can say the application returns the welcome back message, or this welcome back message confirming here yes, the first character of the password is s. So in this way we will use the conditions, or a different type of condition like these in our lab scenario. So let's begin with the lab scenario and the practical time. So guys, now we will see our lab scenario. This is our lab blind SQL injection with conditional responses. Now I'm going to access this lab. Wait for some time. Yeah, so this is our lab, and first I have to fetch this request in my bub suite. So let me intercept is on, and this bub proxy also on. Now I'm going to refresh the website, and let me see. Yeah, this is our request, and I'm going to send it to the repeater and just forward the request, and yeah, interceptor is off. Oh, okay. Let me just again fetch this request. I think once I have to forward, and now I'm going to again send it to the repeater and just turn it off. Okay, you can just do it only once. Okay, now this is the cookie tracking ID. You can see we already discussed on that thing, and this is our vulnerable part of this request. Okay, so guys, let me enter some simple condition. Here I have entered this single quote one, single quote, and this and one equal to one. Let me send this request again in front of you. So you can see HTTP 200 OK. That means status is OK, and we can inject the condition. And let me render this. Okay. So you can see the difference. So here you can see this welcome back message. Okay, and again I'm going to remove this condition, and I will show you how it is showing. Okay, yeah, if everything is okay, then it is showing the welcome back message. And now I'm going to just again give some false condition, like instead of 1 equal to 1, I'm going to enter here 1 equal to 2 and send the request. Now you can see there is no welcome back message, and earlier we have seen 1 equal to 1, then it is showing welcome back. So now I'm going to enter some more conditions, or some different conditions. Let me just enter. Now guys, let me enter something interesting here. I just pasted this query single quote and select A from users where username equal to administrator and is equal to A. This query is equal to A. Let me send this request, and let's see if this request or if this condition is true or not. Okay, so send this request 200. Okay, let me render this. Yeah, there is welcome back message. That means it is confirming there is a username equal to administrator, or you can see you can say administrator user exists in this web application. Okay, so let me enter here something more interesting. So guys, first I have to remove this one, and let me enter the different condition here. You can see single quote and select A from users where username equal to administrator, and length pass or you can say the this bracket started password greater than 1 is equal to A. That means we are testing the length of the password. Guys, this condition is true and it is saying like the length of the password is greater than a. This condition is true. That means the password of the length of the password greater than 1. So let me again here enter 2 and send this request again. Again it is showing welcome back message and it's a long process. That's why I'm going to just send this to the repeater, sorry, intruder. So let me just clear once and here I'm going to set my uh, payload. Yeah, now let me set up here the payload type and I'm going to enter here the number and from 1 I'm going to enter here from 1 to 20 or 25. Let me enter here 25 and step is 1 and I just enter. Yeah, I just enter and the start attack. So guys, this is our result, sorry, this is the result of brute force attack which we applied in intruder. So you can see here the status, error, timeout and the length. So we have to focus the length. Well, you can see the same length it is showing and the status also showing 200. Yeah, from here like up to 19 you can see, up to 19 the length and you can see the length of the payload is same, okay. And but from here it is changing, from here it is changing, okay. So that means the length of the password from this 0 to 19, that means the length of the password is 20, okay. So guys, let me remove this condition and apply some different condition. Here in this condition you can see this single quote and select a substring. We are using here substring password. We are fetching the substring from password value and the first character 1 position means the first character of the password we are fetching with the help of substring from users where username equal to administrator, means we are fetching the password first character value for username administrator and this value is equal to a. That means we are comparing the first character of the password to a, if it is like a or not, okay. So let me just send this request. Okay, you can see there is no welcome back welcome back message from the website. So again send it to the intruder. Yeah, to the intruder. Let me clear this and here I'm going to use cluster bomb, okay, because I'm going to set a payload on 2 positions. For first is this and the second one is okay, not this one, this a value. Let me just again add. Yeah, now go to payloads and for the first payload I have to set the numbers and we know very well we have to go up to 20, 1 to 20 and the 1, yeah, the first payload. And for the second one, payload set for second, we need alphabets. Let me add from list here. Yeah, I'm going to enter this 0 to 9 as well as A to Z as well as this capital A to Z. Yeah, I just entered these values here. You can see. Let me grab the request. Sorry, grab some value. In this settings, yeah, grab match. In grab match, I'm going to clear once it. Yes, I'm going to add here something. The welcome back message. Okay. Welcome. So guys, I entered here the welcome back and add this one, and now I'm going to start the attack. So guys, our attack completed, and let me just show you how we can fetch or how we can extract the value of password from this result. Okay, so for the first payload we set the numbers from 1 2 3, and for the second payload we add the characters, the exact values, okay, for the characters of the password. Okay, so let me just scroll down. If yeah, the first result is this. Okay, and here you can see the payload 1. For the payload 1 is 12, means this is the 12th character value, and this for the 12th character value is 2. Okay, so let me just enter here for the, okay, 12 is equal, yeah, so the value for the 12th character is 2. Okay, let me again just scroll down here. Yeah, I got something. Yeah, this is the 13th or 30th character, and the value for 30th character, sorry, 13th character is 5. For 13 it's 5. Now again for 15, for 15 character, okay, the for 13 it's 5 value, and for 15 the same value. Okay, for 15 as well it is 5, 5. Yeah, now again just scroll down here. Okay, there are 2 characters more. The 20th, sorry, 20th value for the sorry, 20th character value is 8. 20th value is 8, and for 9th value is 9. 9 for 9. Now again scroll down here on this 11th. This 11th character value is D. 11 D. For the third it's E. For third it's E. For 7th also it is E. It is E. Yeah, there is one character. This 14th value is G. 14 is G. And for 16 it's also G. 16 it's G. And now again scroll down, and for the 17th it's I. 17 it's I. And this eighth value is m. 8th equal to m. And I'm just entering here. First value is O. First is O. And for second, it's Q. For 10th, it's R. For 6th, it's S. For 5th is W. For 19th, it's W. For 18, it's X. For 4th, it's Z. So we completed this, and for this we have to arrange in a 1 to 20 manner. Okay, so let me just arrange these values. So guys, just I just arrange these values in 1 to 20 manner, and now I'm going to just copy this value. This is basically the password for administrator account. Okay, let me just go to my account and add here administrator, and the value for administrator, and just login. Yeah, congratulations, you solved the lab. So guys, we successfully done this blind SQL injection with conditional responses. So that's all about guys this video. So thank you guys.